So you can pop it in pretty easy, just like that. Same thing. Now all you have to do is connect your domain. Bang, site's live. You can build a website and deploy it live from Gemini within half hour, and I'll show you guys how to do it here today. I'm going to be building a full site, and we can actually you can even update an old site you had, get it live to WordPress, and I'm going to show you in WordPress, but you can use this for Wix, Squarespace. The same method that I'm showing you here today is to actually take your website. You might have already built one in like Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude Code, etc. And then you don't know what to do with it, where to go next. So I'm going to show you guys here how to actually deploy it and get it live. Now, if you like this series, I just did one on how to do this through ChatGPT. I'm going to show also through Codex, Anti-Gravity, Claude Code, Google AI Studio, and just compare the workflow of all of them and the quick and the speed and what I like. And don't forget, we have a school group. Please join it. We got lots of awesome content and builds and how to increase your business and how to save money, save time, and implement AI into your workflows. Also at the end, I'm going to show you guys a little sneak peek in something that our team has been working on that makes website building so easy. So stay tuned. I hope you guys like, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so today I'm redoing a site, and this would also apply if you have a brand new site, if you do photography or you've always wanted a site to represent your product. It's so easy. All you have to do is give it your brand colors, brand guide, color codes, logos, etc. And I'll show you how to do this, because a lot of times you'll get it and it's like, yeah, that's not my logo, that's cool, but how do I do that? So step one is have all that information ready, or even if you don't and you want to build something fresh, we can build a brand new logo and everything as well through Gemini. Step one is let's get into WordPress. Now, when you get in, this is just another site I did. I actually just built this one on the last demo. So when you're in the back end of WordPress, you can get WordPress through any hosting. You can get through GoDaddy, Bluehost, Kinsta, whatever. Once you buy the domain, then you need hosting, and the hosting will be for WordPress, and that's it. It's super cheap. Like, this is not sponsored by anything, but I even think like Bluehost has like the sale on for like $5.99 a month to have a website. It's so cheap. So what you want to do first off is start with your images and your brand and your logo and all that. So in WordPress, don't get too confused with all this. I'm going to keep it super simple for you guys. And the step one is you want to go actually into your themes, because there's a theme I use that's going to make it so easy for you guys. It's called Cadence. This is not sponsored once again. And the reason why I use this one is it's super lightweight. You can it's drag and drop builder as well if you want, but we're even going to take it to that next level. We're building our own header, footer, and everything through Gemini. So I'll show you guys how to hide those elements throughout the site, and I'll show you how to add the page in like super, super quick. So step one is to show you guys where to add the logos and everything. So if you have any images you want to use, for example, go into ChatGPT now and create all your images, and then you go to the media section here. And this is where I built one. So like I said, we're doing a never touch practice today. It's a company that sells AI to clinics, and really cool product. But what we're going to do here is I got this clinic image here. This is kind of this is just quickly, I made this in ChatGPT. When you make the images though, they are exported as PNGs. So I would recommend to compress them. There are plugins that compress them, but there also you can compress them through a lot of the local like I'll get into that through Codex. You can compress them. You can just ask your IDE now to compress the images for optimization of web use, because you want them really small file size, but you also want them to be clear. There's a trade-off, and large assets and large videos are going to slow down your site huge, and SEO does not like that. So we'll pop any images in here, and if you have logos that you've made, pop them into the media section. And then I'll show you where we can grab the URLs. So then in Gemini, it's using these URLs to populate the site. Then once the site is generated, we grab that code all in one and pop it onto a page, and you guys will see this is super cool. So once this is uploaded, like I mentioned, this is a very large file because it's a PNG, but you want to compress them. So we'll just say, so it's important to also add the alt tag in, because that is meant for Google. But here is where you'd copy the URL. So copy that URL right there for all your images, for your logo, for this, for that. And then what you want to do is you go over to Gemini. And I'm just going to start with a simple prompt here. Hey Gemini, I'm going to be building a website from scratch today. I do have a previous site. It's called Never Touch Practice. I'm going to give you the URL after this message. And what we want to do is we're building this in WordPress. And then I'm also going to show in GoHighLevel, but let's start with WordPress first. So I need HTML embeds, massive HTML embeds for each page. And then I'm going to copy and paste that into WordPress with an HTML embed. So yeah, let's keep it fully optimized, fully responsive, best practices, and let's simplify this and make a really clean, Apple-like, clinic clean website for clinic and business owners. And then I'll say, so going to grab the URL, pop it in. Then what we want to do is we want to use Canvas. So this is to write code. It splits it out. And I'll say, so it's also going to ask some questions, crisp, large headings, micro. Let's see, once you share URLs, I'll extract page by page. Mobile responsive. Always make sure it's mobile responsive. I think if you do the analytics, it's going to show you, like we'll show you, that's another tutorial, but adding Google Analytics in is super important. You want to know what your customers are doing, where they're coming from, how long they're on certain pages, how you optimize those pages. And I'm using Flash, 3.6 Flash with extended thinking, and I added Canvas option on there because this is the canvas that pops out. So what you can do is you can flip to the code. You can literally see it building the code, and it is actually extremely fast. This is, like I said, the new 3.6 Flash model. It's not much better at coding, it's just faster. That was Google's big update. But you can just go to preview and wait. You don't need any code for this tutorial at all. It's just simple language. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back while this is generating. I'm going to go back to WordPress here. And what you're going to do is go to pages. So this is where all the pages will exist. If it's an old site, you want to make sure the URLs line up. So for example, here we have solutions, we have ROI. So that was really fast. You can see that it also even used kind of like the image here. You can ask it to make it the hero, but like little things like that, like itself and retained are on its own line. I don't want that. So I can say, hey Gemini, it looks really great. Can you please make sure that there's no words that are by itself on one line? For example, you have itself and retained on one line in the hero. And then can we add some nice animations on hover and just, yeah, make those updates, please. And some of the items in the top are kind of crowded. See how it works. The FAQ and system operational are tight. Let's make sure all the buttons and spacing at the top is really nice. Thank you. So you can give it voice notes to update. You can take screenshots. And if you have multiple pages like about and everything, when I go into WordPress here, for example, this is the about page. This is the about page I just made in my last tutorial. I made this whole site in an hour if you're curious. But the about us, your URLs need to match. So if you had an old site and it was pressurewashing.com/about, make sure it's /about, not about us, because then when you implement your new site, the URLs won't match. You want to make sure, even if you create new pages or remove pages, you want to create redirects. Not to get too complex, but I'll just keep it a little more simple here. All right, so I feel like I don't see the changes. I'd also recommend, like, when you make sites, like what really elevates a site is the images and the videos. And there's a few sites I go to for inspiration. For example, these are not sponsored either, but for example, land books. If you see like a style you like, you can look at it and you can give an example and be like, oh, I really like this for e-commerce. A lot of this has, like the brand book, and let's see one that's really clean. Yeah, you can see on this site what makes it good is it's an image, it's a video. And when you scroll, the video just stays there. And they got like rolling, and they got some cool effects how the images expand on scroll. And their cursor is kind of cool too. So these are all little features that you can add. See, look at that. Pretty cool. And you can say style like this. So just feed it into Gemini. And one other cool thing is if you haven't seen this, you can actually inspect and you can ask it questions right here. You can inspect any code, any site now, which is really cool. So look, it literally, AI agents for modern health systems. And that's kind of cool because that's kind of what we're doing for Never Touch practice here. You can inspect every element, every box. You can literally copy the code. So let's get that out of here. Now, once you're happy with the code, it's going to give you a massive block of HTML here. And this is where people get a little stuck. So I showed you guys in media, this is where your logos go, everything goes, all your assets go. Then you go to pages and you're going to add a new page. And there's a few things to keep in mind. So if you're using the Cadence theme, that's great. You're going to click here. First thing you want to do is you need a title. This is your primary title. So make sure if it's for SEO reasons, make sure it's like you ask Gemini, hey, to give me the site title and meta as well. So clinic. We'll just go clinic for that. And all you're going to do here is add, and you're going to add custom HTML. If you don't see that, just type in HTML, and it'll show up as custom HTML. It's just a block. But you want to disable the header, the title, okay? You want to go to full width, and you want to go to unboxed. Okay, then when you scroll down, you also want to disable header and footer. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to edit HTML, and this is literally where you paste it, and you'll do this for every single page. So we'll go here, preview. Okay, it's already updated it like that site. And what you're going to do is go to code, copy all the code. So Command A actually selects all the code, but you can do it old school and literally drag and scroll down and copy. Just make sure you get all the code. So Command A and then Command C to copy and paste it in. Command V, update, save draft. And like I said, this is the home page. So where the URL is, if you were curious, is right here. So this is if you have about, if you have products. Then what you do is you'll see I'm using another site that I was building in my last demo. But let's just save draft and let's preview. Now it's because the background isn't black and the background is black here. Well, actually, I'll show you. So we'll say, if you have issues like that, say, hey, when I paste into WordPress, I was going to show you how to change the color on the theme, but forget it. We're trying to do straight from Gemini to WordPress without changing buttons and things like that. Paste as WordPress. So now it says, I believe it says it's done. Preview, code, Command A, copy, edit code. You literally Command A, copy all that, paste it in, and move my head here. Update and preview. There we go. That's it. That's literally how simple, and this would work for any like Wix or anything. You can use HTML embed and literally copy each page in, and that's it. And I'll show you guys really quick on GoHighLevel how it works. Same system. So let's head over there. All right, so if you're in GoHighLevel, you can go to sites, and from sites you go to websites and you add a new site. I set one up here for Never Touch. Then all you do simply is add a new page. We can call this Never Touch homepage. This is the URL. So like I mentioned, if you're doing about, make sure about matches. If you're doing services, make sure services matches. that's the key for when you grab, because if you have everything linking in Gemini, it's going to link the about page to the home page to the, like the menu is going to link everything. So just make sure the paths are all correct. So this one we can call home page. I'd recommend calling it like never touch home, but I already have one created like that. So we'll just go new page. And this is where you create each page. You'd have an about page, product page, server page. Then what I do is I just go create from blank and insert element and simple HTML. And then if you type in HTML here, it's called code. And click on it. And right here under general, code editor, and literally, you can ask though, because I just built this for WordPress, be like, yeah, so there we go. So we'll just copy it. Sometimes it might, you can say if I'm using Wix or this or that, like I'm pasting this into, that's where your site is, right? So paste it in, save. Same thing here. If you're using a light or dark background, you can easily change the background here. So like you can make it black, but we forced the code, so you don't even need to do that. And then preview. So you can pop it in pretty easy, just like that. Same thing. Now the site's, now all you have to do is connect your domain, bang, site's live, just like that. Just publish it. And connecting a site and everything, that's just registering it, buying it. Now, let me show you guys something really cool that we've been working on. And this is through Telegram. So this is the back end is OpenClaw, through SQUID is that holds everything together. So we're just gonna go new chat. And I'll say, can you, so when you're posting this into GoHighLevel or WordPress, if you do it in a massive HTML embed, this is an agentic team that can spin up sites and landing pages. Can you? So we have squidbot.app, but I'll show you this right now. Just show you live. Nothing here, right? So we've given this bot access to Cloudflare. So I'm gonna paste, I'm just gonna say like this one. So it's thinking right now. You can see it's typing. This is Norm, our bot. So it's gonna spin up a subdomain and it's gonna build a site instantly for us right here. And it can spin up tons of subdomains as long as you give it access to your WordPress with an application password and things like that. I'll film another video on that, how to simply add an agent, how to give access to an agent to your WordPress, because I think that's pretty cool. Very simple as well. So I've been doing this live. I sent this at 11:44. We're at 2 minutes in. Tunnels back. And I could do this while I'm walking the dog. I could do this while I'm out like on the golf course. That's it. Okay, one sec. Okay, it's restarted the tunnel. Say, we can just actually just test it here. There we go. It built that in. So obviously I can screenshot it, send it feedback to make changes, but that built and spun up the website, which is live on the internet right now. I'm going to take that down after this, but that's it, just like that. So if you're interested in SQUIDbot, comment SQUIDbot below and I can send you more details on that. If not, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to be building with a few more platforms, showing you guys all the workflows and what's the easiest, quickest, and how to implement websites in 2026. Thanks so much for watching.